We've had some noisy thunderstorms all week long, and pretty soon we'll be hearing the loud bang of fireworks. But while we can adjust to those noises, some of our canine friends don't adjust quite as well. So we're joined once again this morning by our pet vet, Dr. Jennifer Crow from Fishers Veterinary Hospital, with what we can do to help our pets in these kind of scary situations for them.
There's a lot of dogs that get nervous, and some of them get really nervous and end up being destructive. So there's a whole world of options out there for our dogs, whether it be thunderstorms or fireworks or a loud party, something going on that's going to make them nervous.
And some of the remedies include medication.
That's true. Non-prescription medications. There are things that you can get over the counter at a human pharmacy, like melatonin. There are some liquid products at the pet store that are going to contain herbs that we would drink in a tea, like chamomile and valerian. And there are some products that aren't even medications. The Thunder Shirt is
I've heard of that.
Outfit that you put on your dog that makes them feel like they're getting a hug, and it really does work for a lot of dogs. It's pretty amazing. Sometimes just putting on some music for them, and that really helps to calm them down.
It's kind of like kids. Maybe if you distract them a little bit, they're not as scared.
That's a really good point, because there are some dogs that we can do what is called counter conditioning. You take them and you do something fun, and you play when it's loud or it's noisy, and that makes them start enjoying that situation instead of being scared.
Now, crate, good idea, bad idea in these situations?
Probably a good idea. For some dogs, it's a quiet, comfortable place for them to hang out. It gives them their own cozy space, and it gives them a sense of getting away.
And now, if you have dogs of your own, should you completely avoid fireworks, or is it still okay?
It's still okay. You need to think about the neighbors' dogs. It's certainly not a good idea to put fireworks out a whole week before and a whole week afterwards, but you know, we want to make it comfortable for them, but it shouldn't interfere with your life. And if it is interfering with your life, there are some prescription drugs. Some dogs need a sedative, or they need something like a Xanax or some other type of prescription anxiety medication so that everybody can enjoy the event.
Now, thunderstorms can also be kind of scary if you have an outdoor pet that's mostly outside. Are those dogs usually better adapted?
I think they are. They've been in that environment more, but they still need a place where they can get out of the rain, where they can be comfortable and stay dry.
And just dogs, or do other pets get a little worried in the situations too?
There are some cats that will get a little nervous, but most of the time they've already adapted. They have a place that they can go and hang out because they've had other situations they've wanted to get away from. And as far as other pets, they all will have their own way of dealing with these things.
All right, Dr. Crow, thank you so much for joining us on this very timely topic of thunderstorms and 4th of July fireworks, which can be terrifying for some of our dogs, but there are some remedies. Thank you so much for sharing.